Hi there, and welcome to this breakout session for the new BricsCAD V26. My name is Rita Carone, and as a technical marketing specialist at Bricsys, I get to show you how our tools can really make a difference in your workflow. In this session, I'll show you how to automatically display GIS attributes directly on your line, curve, and area labels, so your maps stay informative and consistent without manual typing. Let's get started. What are we going to cover in this session? First, I'll show you how to set up and edit label styles. Then, we'll look at how to link those labels directly to GIS attributes. From there, you'll see how to apply labels that automatically displays GIS data right inside your drawing. With that in mind, let's jump into BricsCAD V26 and see how it works in action. Imagine you just received a GIS dataset from municipality. It contains parcels, sewer networks, and utility lines, but right now, they're just shapes and attributes hidden in the database. To make these data useful on a plan, we need labels that tells you the story directly in the drawing. As a surveyors, we often need to quickly show parcel ownership, land use, or utility details, like pipe diameter and material. Manually typing those into labels is not only slow, it also risks errors and inconsistency. With BricsCAD label styles, we can connect labels directly to GIS attributes. That means that the drawing speaks for itself. Every parcel, every line, every pipe carries its own information automatically. Here, in the setting of the Civil Explorer, I create a new area label style for the parcel. In the style editor, I add property directly from the GIS attributes like code, parcel, or number. After that, I can also choose the position of the label. Now, by choosing the polygon where to display the labels, each parcel will clearly display the GIS label automatically. We can personalize every label for each feature, in this case for the building. I need to show the unique number, and I will use our new Quick Select for a faster and smarter selection of the entities I want to label. Next, let's move on to see how our labels can be used for utilities. Let's quickly change the color of the layer so it's more visible and go back to the setting for the labels line. We can use the setting with multiple styles. For the sewer, I added also an arrow to show the direction of the flow, other than just the description. Once the style is defined, it can be applied consistently across all the entities on the utility layer. Again, using the Quick Select and the layer relative to the utility we need to label, the job is done in seconds. By connecting GIS data directly to labels, we move from drawings that simply look right to drawings that tell the story. That means better communication, fewer mistakes, and fast results. Let's quickly recap what you've learned in this session. You can display key information like parcel owner, land use, or dimensions directly on your drawing. No more manual typing or editing labels. Everything comes straight from the GIS attribute. Your labels follow standardized styles across all GIS objects, keeping your maps clean and professional. And you can even combine multiple attributes into a single label, giving you richer and more informative outputs. With these tools, in BricsCAD V26, you can make your GIS data not only more accurate, but also far easier to read and share. The best way to see the difference is to try it yourself. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to check out the other breakout sessions. Thank you for joining me, and remember, life is too short for manual labeling.